Wait, go.
What is up, everyone? Today we're doing the Don't Drop the Football Challenge. What we do is we're gonna throw it from here. This is what we're gonna stand in the grass. Nathan's gonna stand over there, and we have to throw it. And if they don't catch it, then they lose a point. We have two. Then they lose a life. I meant we have 2 lives. So whoever loses has to take,
Take this, which is a flavor enhancer for water.
Yeah.
And squirt it
all
in a mouthful in your mouth.
Yeah, and promise me, I already did that, and
this
made
thing's
me
supposed to be
throw up.
really sour.
Yeah.
So
Here we go. Alright. Ready?
ready?
Ready? Yeah. Alright. This is gonna take long. Do that like pretty close.
Ooh,
That was close.
that was close.
Keep on throwing it all the way to the right. Yeah, he did that twice to us, so.
Yeah,
Is that down?
that
You
counts.
threw it all the way over there.
That counts.
Alright, hey, listen to the ref.
That counts.
Damn.
Oh, you both have 1 life. We're on sudden death here, people. Sudden death. Dun dun dun.
Alright, now don't act like a. I'll let you throw it to you.
Scared.
Oh.
Oh.
Nathan. Well. Wait.
I'm not hesitating. I got this.
Okay. Nathan has lost. So, the whole thing. A lot. You have to do a lot like I did. That doesn't. Dude, look how much you spit out. You were like. Oh. Dude, it's on your socks.
Ew.
Wait, let me hold it. Let's go see. Go wash out your mouth. Dude, I was hesitating. Like, so bad that I was gonna lose. Now I can see why they only put it in water. You okay? You okay?
No.
One more. Oh my god. Yeah, well.
wash out. I think I've cleaned this up.
Yeah. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Hopefully you liked it. Because I definitely did.
I did too, actually. That tastes pretty good.
It's kind of sour though. It's horrible.
Doesn't even get to your throat.
Peace.